I just came here today, IEC. This is the first time I've attended education fair. I just get a chance to meet with so many universities like Northampton, Westside. Like it's a very great experience. I just personally have a word with the universities and they guided me about the fee structure. AEC as well, they said that you look from the beginning to the end, they will provide us full informations and they will take care of our applications. They said that just sit and just relax, we'll take care of yourself. So it was a very great experience. Thank you so much for providing such a good fair. Thank you.
Hi, I'm here for this AEC fair where a number of universities have come. I'm here for my son. He's keen for sports management BA honors course. It's an excellent setup and a very fruitful conversation that I had with many mentors here, and they've been really guiding very well, understanding the child's expertise, strength, and what are the needs that they can help us out. So it looks like a teamwork, and it really is very inspiring and motivational for the children. So I encourage all of you to come over and explore. I'm sure it will really help you to define your children's career better. Thank you.
It was a great experience. I am starting early. This is the time I'm researching, and all these universities present here have really helped me with my choices. I'm a little bit sure now about what to pursue in the future. They have told me about their application dates, their scholarships, their education patterns, and I really want to thank everyone in AEC for providing me with this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Hi, good evening. This is Khushbu Gera. I work as an international officer with University of Glasgow. I'm based in Delhi, India. AEC has been one of our valuable partners for more than 10 years. Today we were at a fair with AEC at the Lalit Hotel, and it was a pleasurable experience meeting students who were well informed and they were really keen to explore their overseas education avenues. If you are also one of them who would like to study abroad and would like to explore options, I would recommend please visit the AEC offices and meet the counselors who would be able to give you an experience, information and detailed knowledge. So please come visit them, and all the best for your future.
Hi, my name's Donna. I work at the University of Southampton. I just want to say thank you to AEC for a great fair here in Delhi today.
Hi, my name is Mansi and I'm the Associate Director for University Canada West. It was a great experience today. One, we work very closely with AEC and all the offices for AEC. And I'm in Delhi today at Lalit, and it was a fantastic show organized by our trusted partners AEC. I got to meet a lot of potential students today for the upcoming intakes for 2023, and it was an awesome arrangement right from the footfalls to the quality of the students, and we are very happy to have attended this fair organized by AEC.
Hi there, my name's Chris Mackay. I'm from the University of Strathclyde in Glasgow. We are the third largest university in Scotland. We have 4 very large faculties. We have the largest faculty of engineering in Scotland. Many of the departments come up in the UK top 10. We have our prestigious business school, which is triple accredited. We work with a lot of tier 1 universities here in India. And I've been here today at the AEC education exhibition. It's been a very busy event. You can tell from my tired eyes how busy I've been today. We've worked with AEC for a long time, over a number of years. They've supported many students in coming to Strathclyde. They've all been excellently qualified, good enthusiastic students, and I would encourage the students to apply through AEC to come to the university. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shabani Mukherjee and I'm from the University of Leeds South Asia office based in New Delhi. I mainly look after the recruitment for North India, East India and Bangladesh region for University of Leeds in India and South Asia. I've been working with AEC from past 7 to 8 years now, and today I am here at Lalit attending the AEC education fair. It was a wonderful experience working and collaborating with AEC after pandemic. I have seen so many prospective candidates for University of Leeds today.
Hi, I'm Piyush Agrawal. I'm the Director of AEC Abroad Education Consultants. Today we organized Global Education Fair at Hotel Lalit, where we called more than 50 universities from UK, USA, Canada and other countries. We organize this kind of event regularly because we feel if a student has to meet all the universities together at one place, we should be facilitating this for them. So students had good interest to meet the universities today. Universities met good students. I think the timing was perfect. In November, students are looking forward where to apply in the September intake, so they have 10-11 months in hand. So universities also appreciated the fact that students are looking for options early on and preparing themselves in advance. So on a whole, it was a fantastic event. We were joined by more than 50 plus universities. A lot of students also got scholarships today on the spot. And they also had application fees waiver, which happens only at the fair. So on a whole, a fantastic day. Thanks to our entire AEC team and all our university partners. Thank you.